Ashley with Earth Easy, and today we're going to be assembling our new bed steel patio planters. So let's get started. In front of me we have everything we need to assemble our 16 by 31 inch bed steel patio planters. If you've decided to add wheels or legs to your planter, you're going to want to start with those first. Please remember to use care when handling the base of your planter, as the bottom edge can be sharp. I like to stand it up on its side like this when assembling the optional wheels or legs. I've finished putting all of my wheels on. As a tip, when you're putting the fastener through the bottom plate, be sure not to over tighten the wing nut at the back until you've installed all 4 fasteners, just to help you line things up. At the end, when they're all in, you can take a 4mm or 1/8 inch Allen key and go ahead and tighten everything. Now that our base is ready, go ahead and find your width panel. You'll notice that on one edge there will be holes, and on the other edge there won't be. This will be the top of your planter. So the edge with the holes goes face down to the base. Go ahead and grab the nylon fasteners, and we'll be putting those on finger tight. Now we're ready for our length panel. Remember to have the edge without holes facing up for the top of the planter, and line up the bottom edge with the holes in the base. Use the nylon fasteners and just get everything lined up finger tight, because you'll also want to use the fasteners in the corner. Now that we have the corner fastened, you can go ahead and install the other width and length panels. The fasteners have a spot for a standard screwdriver to help you tighten everything down at the end. Okay, we've finished assembling our 16 by 31 inch bed steel patio planter. This one is with the optional wheel kit. You can also purchase these with optional legs or install them directly on the ground. Now when you're ready to fill them up, make sure that you're using a lightweight potting soil instead of a heavier garden soil mix. Next, we're going to assemble a 20-inch tall planter. Beside me here is our single layer 10-inch planter, and the assembly for the 20-inch is a little different. You can go ahead and install the length panel the same as the 10-inch, with the fasteners along the bottom plate. However, when you get to your width panel, you're going to want to install the edge without holes facing down. That means that you have holes on the top of this first layer, and the 2 panels are connected at the corner. And that means that when you go to install your second layer, the edge with the holes is now going to face down, so that the edge without holes is on top, and we'll join them together with the fasteners on the width panel for the second layer. We have our width panels fastened along this edge here, and the length panels will not be fastened along the bottom edge. So line up your length panel, and this will be held together on the 2 corners. So once you have all 4 panels installed, the widths will be secured at both corners as well as that bottom edge, but this top length panel will only be secured at both corners with the fasteners. And just remember that when you are putting all of these together, don't over tighten any of your fasteners until the very end. It can make lining everything up a lot easier. Our new bed steel patio planters come in 4 sizes. In front of me we have the 16 by 31 inches, The rust color is 10 inches tall. The black one is 20 inches tall. In front of me is a 16 by 47 inch planter, and we have one more larger size, a 24 inch by 47 inch planter. And beside me is our square planters. They are 24 by 24 inches, and they come in a 10 inch or 16 inch height. If you have any questions with your assembly, please reach out to our customer service team at eartheasy.com. We wish you a happy gardening season.